Hi guys, my name's Sasha and today I want to show you a different way of wire wrapping. So for this project you'll need some strong wire. It needs to be soft enough that you can bend it quite easily, and then you're going to need some thinner wire. I've got these two lengths, and I like to have a stone like this that's sort of a disc shape for this kind of wrapping because it'll hold it better. And you're going to need a pen and these pliers. So to start, we're going to cut this piece in half. And we're going to start wrapping it around the pen to make some loops. If you see, I've made some spaces between the loops. This all just helps to do the wrapping at the end. And you want it to look like that. And then you can take that off. And you want to bend it so it makes like loops, lots of little loops like that. There you go, just pull it out a bit so it gets a bit longer. And you want to do that again with the other piece of wire. So like that much, and you just want to do loops. Okay, a little bit more. That's good. And take it off, and then you want to start doing those loops again. So it will look like that. Just bend it flat and do the loops. So they all look sort of the same. You can pull it out a bit. They need to look, this piece of wire and this piece of wire need to look the same. There we go, just some adjusting and pushing. And then we need to get this skinnier wire and just start wrapping them together. I like to make it so that the end of the wire goes down and then wrap around, and then you wrap around your piece of wire that you folded down, and you just want to wrap them together like that. Okay, so I've wrapped the wire around like this, and it looks like a nice flat joined together spiral. And then you just want to bring it round the rock like that, and you can start pushing these guys down so that they hold on to the stone like that. And just some squishing and adjusting, and then you make the loop on this side. So you want to pull 2 on this side and 2 on this side, and just do twists like we do a normal loop. Okay, and a twist on this side. And join them at the top. There you go. Now you need the rounded pliers like this, and turn this one this way, this one that way. You can turn the pliers so that it's easier, and just twist these round. If you want to spiral, let me do one of those in the front. Tuck this in and pull this down. There we go. Okay, I'm going to use that one for a spiral, and I'm just going to tuck the rest in. Going to get these pliers to just tuck those in. There we go. Now I want to do a spiral in the front, so it'll look like that, and turn it again. Just keep turning until it gets back to the loop. And there you go. Different way of doing wire wrapping. I hope you liked learning a new way of wire wrapping today. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this.